Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to interface a 16x2 LCD with that of Arduino UNO. So the simulator which we are using is the picsimLab simulator. So we need to click on it and here we have our picsimLab. Now we already have Arduino UNO selected in it. So now we will go and we will click on modules and we will go for spare parts. In spare parts we have some already connected. So we can right click on it, we can click on delete and also this delete. Okay, so this is spare part window. We will go and we will take our 16x2 LCD which is HD44780. Click on it. So this is our 16x2 LCD. Now it has multiple pins. You can see from VS and V and all these things. So now we can double click on it, right click on it, we can go to its properties. Okay, and here we have a lot of pins. So we will go and we will connect our RS, that is register select pin, with that of which pin? Pin number 13, sorry, pin number 12. RS with pin number 12 of Arduino UNO. Read write must be connected with that of ground always. And enable pin we can connect it with like pin number 11. D0, D1, D2, D3 must be none. They must not be connected, not connected. And we will go for like from D4 to D7. So we will go D4 with that of 5. Wait. Okay, wait, let me see. So D5, D4 must be connected with the D5 pin of Arduino UNO. So where is our pin number 5 of Arduino UNO? So here it is. So D4 must be connected with 5 and D5 must be connected with 4. So this is 4. D6 must be connected with 3. Pin number 3, this one, with the PWM pin because it is with the tilde sign. And D7 must be connected with the pin number 2. Like this. So now this is our pin configuration. We can click on OK. Now we will go for our Arduino IDE. It already have Arduino LCD example interface, built-in code for Arduino and LCD. So now we can go to file, we can go to examples, basics, we can go. Okay, so display bar graph. So we have to search for our LCD, analog, communication, control, strings, USB and all these things. Okay, we can go. Okay, first we have click on not now and we can go for tools. We can go and we can select Arduino UNO. And then we can go for examples. So here we will go for our liquid crystal Yes, we can go for hello world. So this code has already been written inside Arduino UNO IDE. So again, RS12, enable 11, D4, D5 and all these things which we have connected like this. So we can run it out. Now here we can copy it out, this thing. Okay, so it is the user DCS app data local temp Arduino sketches. So this is the link of the file. So your maybe like your path can be a little bit different. So you have to search for this path. So we will go and we will write, go to here. So first we have to search for our file. So we will go for C, users DCS app data local. Here we will go for temp Arduino. Okay, wait, let me click on Arduino and here we will write sketches. Okay, or like wait, okay, let's say this thing. So we will search for our this file. So this is our hex. So now we will open it out. We can go for this ino.hex. So we will copy it out and we can paste it on the desktop. So here we will paste it out. Okay, paste. We will go for we will go to file, load hex, and here we will hello world.ino.hex. So now when we will click on debug, it will start debugging. Okay, wait, let me see. Okay, what's the problem? Let me see again. Any pin is having any sort of problem. So RS is 12, read write ground, enable is 11. Okay, D4. Okay, let me see. D4 with D5, D5 with D4, D6 with D3, and D7. Yes, here D7 must be with D2. Okay, we have one pin not connect. So now we will go for debug, and here it is. So we got our LCD working. So in this way you can run your LCD with that of Arduino UNO. So let me explain a little bit of code as well. So here we have a built-in library that is called as liquidcrystal.h. All the things that is this class, they all belongs to this liquidcrystal.h library. So we have declared integer rs and integer rs and enable and d4. These all are integers and they have to pass to this LCD function. Okay, so this our LCD is our function which actually belongs to this liquid crystal class. So in white setup we have declared the LCD dot begin, that is 16,2, 16 columns and 2 rows, and then we have print hello world on the screen. So you can write any other string of your own choice here. So LCD dot set cursor 0, 1. So it means that 0 is the second row and 1 is the second row and 0 is the first column. And then this is millis by 1000. So it is 1 second delay. It is print of millis, means that millis is a function which will create certain milliseconds for us. Okay, and divide by 1000 and then it will give us this. So millis divided by 1000, actually they will give us a 1 second time, like 1 and 2 and 3 and so on, like this will be printed on the LCD screen. So in this way we can simulate our LCD 16x2 with that of Arduino UNO. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.